Grüß euch and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a Pfälzer Bratwurst. I'll be making 1 kilo again, and I will show you how to mix the spices for it and how to make this bratwurst. So let's get started. The meat I have prepared, and what we need to do is now mix the spices for it. For the meat, what I have here is 800 grams of pork shoulder and 150 grams of fat, also pork fat. And we also will be using 50 ml of water, so we have 1 kilo of material. But like as I said before, let's start off with the spices. For the Pfälzer Bratwurst, what I need is 18 grams of salt per kilo. And what I have here is, I have rock salt here. So as I have a kilo meat, I will be measuring 1 kilo, also 18 grams. So, that's 18 grams. The next thing what I will need is black pepper. I need 2 grams of black pepper. There's 2 grams of black pepper. Then I be using mace. In German, mace is a Muskatblüte. Mace is actually from the flower of the nutmeg. And mace I need 1 gram. So that's 1 gram mace. Then I need a half gram of ingwer. So a half gram of ingwer. Then I need 1 gram of coriander. It's 1 gram. Then I need a half gram of cardamom. So I'm using here ground cardamom. Only half gram per kilo. That's a half gram. And now I need to grind the rind from a lemon. I need 1 gram of this as well. So I will grind the lemon now. Make sure you wash your lemon before you start. As I need about 1 gram here. So, it's 1 gram of lemon. Actually a little bit over, but it doesn't matter. So, that's all the spices I need. What I will do is now I add the spices and the lemon, the salt, the black pepper, the mace, the ingwer, coriander, the cardamom, the lemon zest to the meat. And just give it a quick mix. I mix it into it. It gives a nice, because of the lemon, a really nice fresh smell. So the next thing what I will do is now is I will mince this meat. Okay, the mince is ready to mince it. The Pfälzer Bratwurst is more on the finer side, so I'll be using here a 5mm blade. Meat is now minced through the 5mm blade. It's a good cut. I will add now, actually first I clean up the mincer here, then I will add 50ml of ice water and start mixing it. Okay, I got here 50ml of ice water. I add this into the minced meat, and now I will start mincing it until it becomes nice and sticky. That will take a few minutes. The lemon, cardamom, the coriander, you can smell it. And this sausage we only mince once, but we mix it by hand. The best is also use gloves here, and so your fingers don't get too sticky. See that? That's perfect. Didn't take too long. So that's done. The next thing what I will do is now is I prepare the casing. We'll be using pork casing, 28 to 30mm. I will soak those casings now for the next 15 to 20 minutes, get the little filler ready, and then we start filling the sausages. Okay, these skins are ready, they're soaking, so I'll be filling up the filler now. So what I will do is now is to make a little bigger sausage so it fits into it. It's good. And I'll fill this into. Push it forward. And what we want as well in the same time is to get the air out as much as possible. You can see you've got air in there a little bit, so that's fine. That's good. Now we close them up. Good. And wind it forward until we get the pressure. So here we go, that will do. Perfect. So the fill is ready. I clean up here quickly and then we start filling. Okay, let's get this skin out and soak it through a little bit. So put 2 fingers in the ending of the skin. Get a little bit of water in there. That's it. The other thing what you want to do is push your meat forward a little bit, the sausage meat, so it's just on the edge. That's it. And then pull up your skin. Okay, so I need to get the cloth off. Because you can't do this with a glove on, just nearly impossible. Because the glove will slide on the casing and you have no grip. So I got here a longer casing. I'll be pulling everything up there. So, the casing is way too much, but that's okay. Good. Make a knot in there. I showed it as many times. Hold it, 2 fingers, twist, grab it, and just pull it through. You see? Then pull back, and then pull, and then the knot is in there. So let's fill that. Don't fill it too hard, but also don't fill it too loose. So you should have a nice even pressure on the sausages. That's it. You're done. Now we need a knife. Make a knot in there. Good. Let's twist those sausages. So I twist them always about 125 to 135 grams. Somewhere around this one here. It really doesn't matter if you're a bit bigger, a bit smaller. See, now I got a leftover here. So what I will do is I take the last link here, push it, turn it once, and push it through. So cut off there. That's it. And cut this bit off here. So as here I got here 2, 4, 6, 7, and there's one sausage in there, so 8. So each of them is really about 125 to 130 grams. Those sausages now, because I'm not eating them right away, they will hold about 5 days in the fridge. But what I will do is I vacuum back them, but I don't seal them all the way. So I just do that so they don't get freeze burned and put them in the freezer. And out of this one here, I'm gonna make myself now, guess what? A burger. So my trusted old pan is heating up, and let's get this taster going there. You hear him sizzling. That will be good. So let me fry this burger. I can smell it. Really good. The burger is getting there. So would you like to see what this burger looks like? I'll tell you in a second also what it tastes like. Let's start eating. Let me show you. Here's the burger. Doesn't it look good? Let's see what it tastes like. Got that. A bit hot, but very good. A nice mild bratwurst. The hint of lemon, because of the lemon rind that we put into it. And it has a subtle hint also from the mace, which is nice. It's not too peppery. And cardamom, just a touch in the back, you noticed. The ingwer, you actually don't notice the ingwer. And the coriander, you noticed a little bit. So it's a very nice and mild sausage it will be. Perfectly for grilling, which is juicy. And that's exactly what you want. So folks, if you liked that little video about the Pfälzer Bratwurst and how it's been done and how I make them, so give me the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and follow me. So the next, after that episode, the next one I will be making a pork and apple sausage, and also a bit later on a pork and leek, and we see what comes after that. So till then, stay safe. Bye bye.